Hello everyone, I'm Netra Kumar from Velala College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I'll be talking about generative AI, an exciting branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the creative capabilities. In this presentation, we'll explore how AI can create text, images, music, video, and so on, almost like a human being. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. AI will enable machine to think, learn, and act like humans. It's used for problem solving, decision making, and data analysis. Beyond the logical operations, modern AI has evolved so much in this generation, where it can even create or generate content, which is where generative AI comes into the picture. What is generative AI? This is the branch of AI that creates new content. It can be any of it text, images, music, or even videos. Unlike the regular AI, which analyzes or predicts, generative AI will learn patterns from existing data and generate original outputs. This is the main difference between the traditional AI and generative AI. Some of the common example includes ChatGPT for text. Now, let's see how generative AI works. Generative AI relies on deep learning and neural networks. It uses large data sets to train models called large language models or LLMs. These models will predict the next word, pixel, or sound based on patterns they have learned, which will allow them to generate new and coherent contents. So, this is how a generative AI will basically work. Types of generative models. There are several types of generative models. First one is generative adversarial networks, where two neural networks compete to create realistic images. The second one will be variational autoencoders. This will generate synthetic data that looks real. The third is transformers, which are the backbone of AI models like ChatGPT used for text and code generations. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI has a wide range of applications. Text generation such as chatbots or article writing. Image creation for digital art or design tools. Even music and video production can be done using AI composers and movie editing. Coding assistance, for example, GitHub Copilot helps developers write code faster than the usual. Now, let's see some real world examples. ChatGPT used for conversational text generation. Sora is used for AI video generation. Runaway machine learning for generating movie scenes. Canva Magic Studio for AI powered graphic design. These examples shows how generative AI is already part of our daily creative lives. Advantages of generative AI. The advantages of generative AI include boosting creativity and productivity. It can save time for artists, writers, and developers, creating personalized and unique content, making advanced AI tools accessible even to non technical users. So, overall, it acts as a powerful amplifier for human creativity. Limitations of generative AI. Despite its benefits, generative AI has limitations. It can produce inaccurate or biased content. It lacks true understanding and human emotions. These AI needs models requires large amount of data and computing power. Also, there is a risk of generating misleading or fake informations. So, while AI is powerful, it must be used responsibly. Ethical concerns. Generative AI also raises ethical concerns like who owns the content AI generates. Deepfakes and misuse can be harmful. Also, data privacy and consent are critical issues in this generative AI. Responsible AI policies are needed to ensure safe usage. Ethics is as important as technology in AI development. The future of generative AI. The future of generative AI looks promising. Multimodal systems combining text, images, and sound, increased collaboration between humans and AI, applications in education, art, entertainment, and science, development of regulations for safe and ethical use. Generative AI will become smarter and more integrated into our life in future generations. To conclude, generative AI represents the creative side of artificial intelligence. It helps humans imagine beyond their limits. Importantly, it doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. With responsible use, generative AI can truly be a revolutionary tool for innovation. Thank you.